Here I've got ELEPHONE P8000 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Pick date and time, which is under System. And now you can either have an automatic date and time, and it can be either network provided time or GPS provided time. Okay. Or you can switch it off and set the date and time manually by yourself. So you can pick whichever date and time you want to. Then you can have automatic time zone, or you can switch it off and select time zone manually by yourself. So as you can see here, you can pick one from the following options. There are plenty of them, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me pick, for example, this one. And finally, you can either have an automatic 12-hour format clock, or you can switch it off and have 24-hour format clock. So that's it. This is how you can change date and time, how you can change the time zone and also the format of your clock. But if you would like to go back to default settings, you can simply tap on those switchers, then tap on automatic time and date. So just click on use network provided time, and now we are back in default settings in the automatic one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.